Hello and welcome everybody. MULN stock on 29 November. Let's see that step by step with easy price prediction. If you are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. And let's see what would happen if we think that MULN stock is still popular here. So that goes to be referring back for the price that would happen on MULN stock next time. And as we can see, this is going to be about the feedback what the MULN stock is going to be next for every trader or every investor. So is going to be 1 day update, and the increase in momentum would be resulted here. So the 4 hours update is going to be fine if we see that is going to be larger than the 1 day update. So I think this is going to be the price that has started to, so I think this can be edited here, and that is about to be fine for Mullen stock to be explained according to its technical analysis explanation in this video. And good luck on another episode of the price prediction.